Hello everyone, my name is Mohan. I am from district Champaut, Uttarakhand, and currently I have been living in Rishikesh for the last 5 years. About 3 months ago, I joined the Excellent Academy and I chose the course they were offering, spoken English and personality development course. So after joining this course, in these 3 months, I learned a lot from Excellent Academy with Manoj Kandpal sir. So today in this video, I'm going to share my experience. I'm going to tell you why you should join this academy and why you shouldn't join this academy. So first of all, my experiences with the Excellent Academy are very good. I'm very happy and I'm very thankful to the Manoj sir and the Excellent Academy that they taught me a lot, and I feel more confident now. I can speak English good, and not only I can speak, but I can figure out my grammatical mistake by my own. That is what I learned in Excellent Academy. There's a lot, that is not only thing, and now I'm going to tell you about why you should join Excellent Academy. So first of all, the fee. The fee is excellent in Excellent Academy. It is very low, so that anyone can afford this fee. The fee is very affordable, and if you are really looking for a spoken English course, you must join Excellent Academy in term of fee. The second thing is level. The level, it doesn't matter you are beginner or advanced level. The course is designed by Manoj sir in such a way that it suits everyone. Either you are beginner or advanced, it is fit for everyone. It is perfect for everyone. And the third thing is the pre-work and post-work. After every class you get some post-work, and whatever you learn in class, you practice that, and you get some question in your WhatsApp group. You have to answer it. If you participate, you increase your English by just using your WhatsApp message. And the post work and the pre work, before joining the class, normally you get some videos, some live lectures, some recorded lectures from the class. So if you watch them, so it helps you to understand in the class, in the live class. And the fourth one is I want to say about accessing the class. The accessing the class is very easy. You will get a link in your WhatsApp group if you are joining the live course, and if you are not joining the live course, it is very easy. You just go in the classroom and join it. So you have to just you will get a link, and you have to just click on that link and you can access the class. In case you miss any lecture, so you get recorded video lessons, so you can watch it later on. So that is the what I like. The fifth part is the story. So after class you get a story, and I really like that part, because with the story you are not just developing your reading and speaking, but you are also getting very useful and new words meaning for daily uses. You can get from the stories if you read them carefully. And there's a long list. I will not go on everything, but that is not all. There's so on. And now I will talk about why you should not join this course. The first thing, you shouldn't join this course if you don't have patience. In order to learn anything, you need a lot of patience. If you think by just joining the class for 10 days or 5 days you can learn English, that is not possible. You need a lot of patience and a lot of hard work to learn English. And the second thing, you shouldn't join this course if you are not serious about the course. If you are not serious about this course, please don't waste your money by joining this course. This is my suggestion for you. And the third thing is your effort. Your effort is very important, very important. By just attending the class with the teacher, you cannot learn anything. You have to practice by yourself. You need to put your effort 100%. So these three things I will say, if you don't have these three things, please don't join this course. And I highly recommend this Excellent Academy and Manoj Kantpal sir. I learn a lot from Excellent Academy and Manoj sir. His way of teaching is very unique and very easy to understand. And personally, the Manoj sir, he is a very humble person and a very great master. So I will suggest you to join Excellent Academy with Manoj Kantpal sir. Again, I am very thankful to Manoj sir and the Excellent Academy to help me to learn English and to improve my communication skill and my personality. Again, I highly recommend this Excellent Academy. If you are looking for a spoken English and personality development course, please join Excellent Academy. That is all. Thank you for watching me.